Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw an adorable little whale. That's right, we're going to draw a whale step by step. Whales are cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start with the whale's body. Let's start by drawing a round curvy line. Next, let's draw in the whale's tail. If you like, you can have really big tail or really small tail for your whale. Let's draw in the bottom of the whale. Of course, I'm going to add a few droplets of water on the top of its blowhole. Next, let's draw in 2 small dots for the whale's eyes. You can choose to draw larger eyes if you like. Isn't it so cute already? You can also add in some eyebrows to help the whale better express its emotions. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. I will start by coloring the droplets of water on top and the whale's belly. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Next, I'll color in the whale's body. Feel free to change up the little whale's color and use other colors besides blue. Maybe a purple or even a rainbow whale. You can also repeat this drawing again and do a whole family of whales. You can have a mommy whale and some more baby whale as well. Wow! Look at our amazing little whale. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as seaweed or other ocean animals swimming around it. Use your imagination and fun with the drawing. Drawing of the little whale. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.